Boys and girls, welcome back to the fifth and possibly the final episode of Passing a Funded Account Challenge. Now, I know y'all probably been wondering why I haven't been posting for a while. Where has Jay been? 100K Jay, where he been at? He ain't been posting. What happened to the series? This and that, and so on and so forth. I had some family stuff going on. I had a death in the family, so I took a break from content altogether. Even on my other channel, I wasn't really posting that much. But yeah, I was sick as well. I had the flu, and I was just feeling horrible. Like, it was just a whole patch of this time. It was bad for me. So I took a break from content altogether. But I was still trading during that time. My headspace just wasn't right, so I did end up blowing all the accounts that I had. But I did get a new Topstep account, a 50K account, which trading it, just on the low, just taking it slow, building it up, trading it. I wasn't really, obviously, I wasn't making any content about it. But I'm back now, back with the content, back on the grind, and I got some great news for you guys, man. I am about to pass my Topstep 50K challenge. Hopefully. I'm going to do a breakdown of the two biggest trades that I took on this account last night. Currently, I only need $200 and this account will be passed. So I'm going to do a breakdown of the two trades that I took, totaling $3,000 in total. But I did lose some, so that's why I haven't hit the profit target yet. But I'm up 700 for the day. I traded London session. It was on gold. Took two crazy trades because gold sold off crazy, and then I caught the bottom of it and then rode it all the way back to the top, which is even more crazy. But hit a 1 to 3 on both of them, by the way. So yeah, I only need $200 more. So let me give you guys a breakdown on how it's looking right now currently. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe on the video, because we're about to pass the challenge, man. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna try to explain it too before New York session starts. As you can see, it's already pushing up a little bit. But this is on gold. But I'm probably not gonna be trading gold. I'm gonna trade on NASDAQ, just to get the $200. As you can see up here, I'm at 52,836. So that's about $200 that I need to pass this challenge and hit the 3K mark. So right here on the 30-minute time frame on gold, as you can see, we have this structure point right here, and it's just consolidating. It's just been consolidating in this whole range right here. It's just been consolidating super hard. Right here, as you can see, we come down into this, this white line, this structure point, get a nice rejection, push up, comes down, breaks below it, and when it breaks below, it drops hard. So it comes back up to retest that structure point, and then it drops again. So right here, comes down, rejects, shoots up, comes down, rejects, shoots up, and then when it drops below, it drops hard. Even right here, it dropped hard. Shot up, came down, back to this structure point, rejected, shot up. So obviously you can see that this is a very strong area of interest. So when we get to right here in this area, around this area, I'm like, okay, so it's coming back down into this structure point, and then I seen it reject and go up. But I was like, the buys in this structure point area don't really hold weight enough for me to take a trade in this. But the sales are looking very promising, considering the sales from here, the sales from here, the sales from here. So I was like, if it breaks below this structure point, gives me some nice bearish momentum with a bearish engulfing candlestick, then I will enter this trade for a short. So sure enough, Got a nice bearish engulfing candlestick closed below this structure point. So I get in right here at this line, and it just melts straight through the EMA, just melts to a 1 to 3. So after I see this, I'm out of the trade. Boom, that's $1,500. I risked $500. That's $1,500 right there. So boom, and then I just see it continue to melt, continue to melt, continue to melt. I'm like, there's no way. But the reason I lost money during this was because I was taking small trades, trying to catch the bottom, trying to catch a falling knife. Telling you guys from experience right now, do not try to catch a falling knife, because it won't end well. But when it got down here, got a nice rejection, close rejection, and then I seen the momentum start slowing down. And if we go to the 5-minute chart, see we got a nice doji right here along with a bullish engulfing candlestick. So it was showing me that a reversal was coming, because it can't just keep dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. Normally when price drops that hard inside of a market, it has to rebound at least halfway. At least. I'm not saying it will happen for sure, but the probability of it happening is super high. So when I seen this and this bullish engulfing candlestick, I entered right here for a long, and it just shot straight up. I mean, I don't really need to say anything more. I mean, you guys can see what happened right here. Risked the same amount, 500, boom, 1 to 3, which put me at a total of 52,836. So currently, I only need $200 more. But you guys just don't know, like, the pain and suffering that I've went through just on this account, just today, to get to this point. I mean, I lost 1,000. I made 1,500, lost 1,000, and then I made 1,500 again, then made a little bit more. Like, just think about how my mindset is through all of this. But these were two beautiful, beautiful calculated trades. So as you can see, my daily P&L is 700 for the day. So I only need $200 more. So hopefully we'll be able to pass the challenge on this video. I'm gonna go on NASDAQ and let's see what we can do, man. So I'm going micro NASDAQ, see what it's doing currently. It's currently selling off right now. We're having a big sell off. I think it's because of the news that came out on 8/15. I forgot what the news was, but yeah, it had a nice big drop. This was around, like, it started around like 2:30 a.m. But you know, let's see what we can see. Got this structure point right here. If we move it over, you can see rejections right here, rejections all along here, even some rejections right here, and then we got a break below. It's not really much to go off of. I mean, it's ranging for the most part, so it's going to be kind of hard to tell where it's going to go. It is creating kind of a trend line right here, but it's been broken already to the downside, so I'd expect to see sales. But you know, opening of New York session, they might want to rebound, you know, give us a nice pull up, take out some of these highs right here. But we'll go down to the 5-minute and see if we can see a little bit more. Okay, we got a low right here, this low point, then this right here rejected off of this structure point as well. So what I might look for, if price comes down opening, I might look for just a little short, just to get, like, you know, just to get the $200, because I really don't need much, but I do want to, you know, have enough contracts on the table just so I can get that 200 easily. So, this will be a trade idea right here. Or if it comes back up and breaks above this structure point, then should be looking for buys around entry right here. And it is creating kind of a trend line on the 5-minute right here, as you can see. Some good structure. So yeah, if we get a nice break above here, I'll be taking that. $200, all I need. And then hopefully we can catch this trade live on the session. And if we can, it'll be a perfect video, man. Episode 5. 5 episodes of the series to pass my 50K Topstep challenge. So, yeah, let's see what we can do, man. All right, and we got market opening. I'm gonna sell right here. See what we can do. And 200. Boom. That's 53. We did it. I don't need any more than that. I don't need any more than that. Boom. And that's beautiful too. Look at it.
Order filled.
Look at it go. Beautiful. We did it, boys. Counts passed. 53,000. Let's go. Who said Jay couldn't do it? That's why they call me 100K JFX. Because we're going to have 100K. Just quit playing with me, man. Like, look, I called it. I just called it. Like, you guys see it firsthand. If I needed more than 200, I mean, it'd have been there. It would have been right there. Like, that's just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. There's just no way. There's just no way.
Order filled.
There's just no way. Like, we did it. I passed. Oh my gosh. Price is just melting. Like, this is a perfect entry right here. Like this, if I had a 1 to 3 set, this be almost a 1 to 3. Like, this is a crazy big milestone for me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really holding in my excitement just to be, professional. What the fuck? Look at this. I could have needed another 1,500 and smacked it off of this right here. This is crazy. Yeah. We did it, boys. I mean, there's really nothing else we need to do. It's not going to register until about 5 p.m. because that's when the market closes, and then they, register all of the trades that have been taken, and the counts that have been passed and things of that nature. So when 5 p.m. hits, then it's gonna be wraps. I'm not taking another trade. I'm not touching nothing. This is it. I'm gonna show you guys just like my total P&L. Show y'all how my trades look. So starting out, took a trade for 300, took one for 154, 157. So that's 500 or 600 right here already. 600. And then took another one for 100, took one for 50. So that's 750 right here altogether. And then I lost 500 on one, lost another 500, so lost 1,000, and then I made 1,500. So boom, 1 to 3 makes back all these losses, and then hit a little 75, just making small wins, because the small wins add up. That's what you need to realize, that you don't just want to go for big home runs, because the small wins add up. They really do, as you can tell. And all you need is $3,000. So you don't need to hit, a big home run in 2 trades. But this trade right here, the 1,500, and then this trade right here, it was crazy. But that was my gold trade. But yeah, man, 53,000. Episode 5. This video completes the series of passing a funded account challenge. I might do this again, just because I'm not really satisfied with how I did the series. Just because, I had so much going on, I wasn't able to give y'all as much in-depth content. But, nevertheless, we did it. Passed the account challenge. 50K. Finally funded. I might have to wait a day or two, to get the fully funded account. But I will be, posting videos of me trading on the funded account. I have to get 5 winning days of $200 or more to get, my first payout. But, we can do that easy. If I come here every morning, do stuff like this, all I needed was $200. I mean, I got that in like 4 seconds. But, nevertheless, we did it, man. So, if y'all like this video, if y'all enjoyed this series and y'all would like another one, a more in-depth series, which I probably will do, please make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And 100KJ, we'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Let's get it.
All of the bitches anxiety, cars robotic, we go retarded. Hop in the foreign, don't need the top. When I get home, I need the top. Louis Vuitton when I leave the house. She got an ass and I grease them out.